guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for Guyanese cassava egg balls. To get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have 6 eggs and I have some fresh cassava that I went ahead and peeled and chopped up. I have some all-purpose flour, some grated garlic, fresh green seasoning, pepper sauce, 1 beaten egg. I have some bouillon powder, black pepper, garlic salt, and complete seasoning. So to get started, in a large pot, I have some water and my cassava, which I will go ahead and start boiling, and I will add my garlic salt to the water. You could add regular salt to this, but I like the flavor of the garlic salt, so I'm adding the garlic salt. And we will let this boil until it is tender. Next, I'll go ahead and boil my eggs using an egg cooker. You know, I pride myself on being a great cook, but one thing I don't ever get right is the perfect egg. It's always either too hard or too soft. So what I did was I went ahead and got me an egg cooker so that I could get the perfect egg every time. But you guys can go ahead and boil your eggs in the same pot with your cassavas. Next, we'll go ahead and mash our cassava. I will be using a potato masher. You can use whatever you like. And you want to get this as smooth as possible. Once you have a very smooth consistency, you go in with the eggs, the pepper sauce, the green seasoning, black pepper, chicken bouillon, and complete seasoning. All these things make up great taste and flavor. Then we'll go in with our hands and mix this until it's well combined. The best tool in the kitchen is your hands. There's a lot of fancy gadgets and stuff, but they do not do the job as well as your hands. So go in with your hands. Do not be afraid. Just wash your hands really well and mix this until it's well combined. Next, we will pick up a generous amount of the cassava mixture, place 1 egg in the middle. We will try to fold the mixture over the egg until the egg is no longer visible. Then we will roll until completely smooth, coat it with flour, and that's how easy it is to make a cassava egg ball. We will repeat this process until they are all done. So now that we've got all our egg balls set, we will head over to the stove and fry them. So here I have my oil preheating, and now I will go in with the egg balls. I will add 2 at a time because I don't want to overcrowd my pan. So you want to take your spatula and just move these around because you want them to become brown on all sides. You don't just want them brown on one side only. So we will take the spatula and just swish them around until they're golden brown evenly on all sides. And now that they are golden brown, we will remove them from the pan and we will continue the process until we are all done. And this, my friends, is how I make a super delicious Guyanese cassava egg ball. And you cannot enjoy this without some hot mango sour. So I will be leaving the link to my mango sour in the description box. And if you guys enjoyed that video, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. I will leave all the ingredients down in my description box. And I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!